Ready?
Today I am going to make a volcano. So I have my aluminum foil, my funnel for the baking soda, food coloring, cups, vinegar, and baking soda, with a plate and a straw. Magma forms deep in the earth, and a volcano bursts out of the ocean. And when the magma hits the air, it turns into lava, which is really, really hot. I am going to make a volcano. Let's get started. Okay, I have my aluminum foil ready with a cup and a plate. First, I need to cover it in aluminum foil. Can you cut?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have my volcano. Time to make a hole in the top. Time to pour my vinegar in. For the food coloring, first we put yellow in, then we add red, then we use the straw to mix them together to make orange.
Ready?
Okay, so I'm putting my baking soda into this cup. That's enough. Now put this foil right here and dump it through. Now the volcano erupted. That's it for today. Bye.